Welcome to this journey into the world of craftsmanship. Today, we explore the stunning manual making of a brick hammer, an essential tool in masonry, renowned for its precision and durability. Our journey begins with selecting the raw material for the hammerhead. High-quality steel is chosen for its strength and ability to withstand repeated impacts. The steel is heated in a forge until it reaches a glowing red-hot temperature, ready to be shaped. Once the steel is heated, the blacksmith skillfully hammers it on an anvil. This process, known as forging, shapes the steel into the desired form. The hammerhead starts to take shape, with one side fashioned into a flat, square face for striking, and the other side crafted into a chisel-like edge for splitting bricks. Precision is key at this stage. The blacksmith uses various hammers and tools to ensure that the head is perfectly balanced. The flat face must be smooth and even, while the chisel edge needs to be sharp and accurately angled for effective brick splitting. After the initial shaping, the hammerhead is repeatedly heated and hammered. This process not only refines its shape, but also enhances the steel's strength through a process called work hardening. Each strike of the hammer aligns the steel's internal structure, making it more resilient. After the initial shaping, the hammerhead is repeatedly heated and hammered. This process not only refines its shape, but also enhances the steel's strength through a process called work hardening. Each strike of the hammer aligns the steel's internal structure, making it more resilient. Next comes the process of heat treatment. The hammerhead is heated once more, and then quenched in oil or water. This sudden cooling hardens the steel, giving the hammerhead the durability it needs to withstand heavy use. Following the quenching, the head is tempered by reheating it to a lower temperature and allowing it to cool slowly, which reduces brittleness. Once the head is hardened and tempered, it undergoes final shaping and polishing. The blacksmith carefully grinds and files the surfaces, ensuring that the flat face is perfectly smooth and the chisel edge is sharp and precise. This meticulous finishing process ensures that the hammer performs optimally. With the head complete, attention turns to the handle. Traditionally, a handle is made from high-quality hardwood, such as hickory or ash, chosen for its strength and shock-absorbing properties. The wood is carefully shaped to fit comfortably in the hand, with a balance that complements the hammerhead. In a world where mass production is the norm, the manual making of a brick hammer stands out as a symbol of quality and craftsmanship. It's a process that combines ancient skills with meticulous attention to detail, resulting in a tool that is not only effective, but also a joy to use. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the stunning manual making of a brick hammer. If you enjoyed this narration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of traditional crafts.